Rodeo Drive, the world famous, whatever the f this is called. I can't say that, but I'll beep it. And we're gonna go look for cars. We already saw a bunch. Let's go. Nurse is waiting for us. He's pissed off. He's gonna kill. No, I can't show him. Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend, so there's a lot of people out.
You see what I see?
Porsche CGT. Freaking Rolls pulls up in the back, of course. Beverly Hills car spotting, Rodeo Drive. This place is freaking nuts. So many cars today. Oh, there he is. Really see it, but there's a Lamborghini over there. And the valet guy. Oh, why are you fucking walking so fast, man? Oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Yeah, their lighting setup is spectacular. It's a Revolta. Oh, damn, son. Woo. That's nice and sleek. Nice fountain. The Benz looks clean. That's a beautiful car, man. The white wheels, rims just make it stand out so much more. The white rim seems like it's a thing. They both look pretty cool, but they both have they all have white rims. They're McLaren. Shout out to Lando and Oscar, but I hope they lose because they're annoying, really annoying. Let's go, Max. Max. Go buy a lighter for Nate's cigarettes. Oh, it's over here. It's on the other side of the door. Door's closed. We'll survive. It's my body right there. Eggs. Look, another one in the wild. What the fuck? Why are you walking so fast? You keep walking so fast. Relax. Look, you see how I get my whole face in there? Doesn't require much. Just right here. Hey, I remember back in the day, there used to be chairs out here you could sit on. Now, they're just cars. We gotta wait for Nate. See, he's gotta copy me. Oh, yeah. He's pissed off. His videos are shaky. He's got a new mic. Somebody got shot here in this corner one once. Big news. Big news. Robbed. They stole stole something from them. I don't know. Oh, someone made noise. Electric Hummer, EV Hummer. Smells like kind of weird over here though. Nate, I gotta ask you some questions. How do you feel about the it's so dark, can't tell. How do you feel about the situations in Beverly Hills?
Very frustrating, you know. This is the one place where you come to have that lavish lifestyle.
Oh, hold on.
Yo, Nate Vlog here. Anyways, I was trying to say, you come here for the lavish lifestyle, you know, that like amazing feeling where you're just like, wow, look at all this, look at this, and then it's like you're like, oh wait, that's right, L.A.
Yeah, crazy.
L.A. style.
Just talking to themselves.
Yeah, and you're just like,
You're Rite Aid.
Ridiculous. Is this still working from over here? Nate Vlog in the house.
Dude, Nurse said this like 5 minutes ago. He's like, look, it looks black from afar, but blue from close. Scare me. There you go. When in doubt, whip it out. Here you go, Nurse. Oh. There's a hidden cobra back here, bro. Wow, nice. And the cook. Can't forget the cook. And Nate, always in every shot. World famous gas station right here. Cobra? We're not gonna make it. Kind of heard it, but we're not gonna make it. Yeah, but look at this gas station. It's crazy. It's a new place called Junkie. That's where the big valets are from. Funky, sorry, not Junkie. It's messed up. I just called their place Junkie. Alright, here we go. Protest corner. Oh!
That's not, I think that.
I don't know.
Here we go.
Can you guys hear that? Can you guys hear that? There's a homeless out there. He's like screaming at himself. I just said this is protest corner. Hell yeah, green light. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Green light. So we got more here. It's just like the thing now.
What the hell is going on?
We just got the homeless here all of a sudden. Like, It actually is a lot more than usual, like a shit ton more than usual, and it is concerning. Can't forget about the hanging Porsches. Let me get it Nate in the shot this time. Oh no, we can't find the car. Ah! Funny, this is the tourist section, but at night there's no tourists here because they're all on the other streets. No restaurants here. It's just stores. Alright, so if you're walking down Rodeo, you could frame yourself like the Mona Lisa and a big gorilla in the back if you see that one too. Louis Vuitton is new right here. See, it's only been like a month I've been here and just random shit is just... Oh, the mic's off. First time I'm seeing this. Wow. Louis. Really? It's probably this guy. Listen, if anything happens, it's on video. Oh, attacks. We're uh-oh land, apparently. Is that Tiesto? Mayday. Red alert, red alert, red alert. We're being attacked. Our colony is under attack right now. We stopped back by the Mayborn. And yeah, there's a lot going on here today. So many cars, celebrations, drunk people. That's my favorite, all-time favorite, when the fucking drunks come out. And yeah, the good cars are in front of Mastras and Novikov. Novikov. It's a good one, brand new. You got it, you got it. Yeah, no touch. They moved the car. The Lambos are almost next to each other. It's like a Revolto sandwich here. Revolto Oreo and the G-Wagon. Oh, something turned on. Is it the Benz?
What kind of Benz is that?
I think it's like a Benz Bugatti Nation. Legendary status. Legendary. Sounds great. Yeah, that homeless guy was following us for a while. That was kind of weird because it's unpredictable. You don't know what that guy's gonna do. He's literally telling us like some random shit while he's staring at a furniture store. He cannot be trusted. Yeah, this is Spago. Very minimal. Barely can see the sign. And then nooser it. That might be it. That might be the end of it. Look how far I can stick my arm, get my whole face. Wow. It's on, it's on. But that's gonna conclude the tour. Got the USA colors and the Raris. Weeho. I thought our car made that noise. I was like, how'd you do that? Yeah, I don't know. Ooh. Sunset Boulevard. Let's see how the nutsacks are doing on this street. Let's see how they're doing. Who's back here? Sunset Boulevard. Let's see how the nutsacks are doing on this street. Let's see how they're doing. Who's back here? Hold up to Santa Monica. Check it out. In the distance, you can see the little Ferris wheel. Hello. Look at that. This place is cool. Barney's Beanery. What is this place called? Look at this guy. Pull your pants up, sir. You're gonna get ran over for sure, man. What a legend.